Hi guys, so yesterday we set out to visit Anambra State, Onitsha precisely from Enugu State, and we were quite excited to see the massive progress and upgrade in the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. From Enugu to Awka looking awesome. You guys have been aware of that project, and as a matter of fact, the dualized carriageway is almost working till you get into Awka, and arriving Awka down to Onitsha, I observe a massive upgrade as well. The 2 lanes are now working from Awka down to Onitsha. I think that is very, very good to hear and commendable. So now we're coming back. We decided to showcase and show you guys an update of what is going on. But first off, I was a bit confused when I was approaching towards Onitsha. I forgot the name of that junction before Onitsha now. So it's as if there's a massive flyover project that is going on around there. So which is where we are currently driving through. So I don't really know what they are trying to build. There is no inscription on any signpost on the wall showing what is about to happen around that particular spot. So was the massive flyover, like a flyover walk going on around there. So this is Onitsha Awka Road currently. You can see that vehicles are no longer using one way, they are running on their own lane separately. In previous videos before today, we've mentioned that is that lane going to be abandoned the way it was looking, but it's good to see that it has been worked on and even completed compared to the last time we even came, and now everybody can run on their single lane. So anybody you see running on this lane now, just know that that person is doing so just because he wants to do so, not because the other lane is not functioning or not because the other lane is not open. So if you are coming from Awka to Onitsha now, you just ride within the shortest possible minute. You are already in Onitsha. The journey is super fast. Coming from Enugu directly is very, very fast because there is no hold up, there is no delay of any kind. There is no you being extremely careful as to driving on a single lane road. All of those things have just been eliminated. And I also believe that with this, most of the road accidents we see within some of these areas, we will not also be seeing them again because it is now a single lane drive. Of course, we all are aware that along this part as well, that's where the Anambra Airport is also located. So it's going to be a faster journey for people who are coming to the airport. Though the turn, if you are coming from Onitsha, is a bit okay. There's a turn directly at the airport entrance. I think that is beautiful. So, but if you miss that turn, you might have to get to the next community before you can make your U-turn, so it's very, very fast. So please, when you are trying to locate the Anambra Airport, ensure you are very attentive to the road and to the turns that you need to make to get into the airport. So I think that is massive upgrade. The road, I'm really excited about it. For as many who have been following us on this channel, you are aware that we love good road and we enjoy driving on good road, and we are fans of calling out most of the bad road within our vicinity and within the areas where we drive by. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Alin TV. Don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. Do well to give us your honest review and thought about this in the comment section. And if you've used it in recent time or your experience in time past, also do well to let us know in the comment section. For as many who are very familiar with this route, you know that all of these places are places we drive as a single lane road before, but you can see that for this distance we've driven, not even one car has come from this direction. All has been going through their own lane. So now journey is faster, the road trips will be safer compared to what it used to be. Initially from Awka, you drive a bit and you join back into a single lane, if you use the Awka flyover. But now you can see that it's all a smooth drive. So we'll be entering into Awka 2, and they're also trying to do a little bit of road expansion, resurfacing of the road within Awka as well. So as you follow through till we get into Awka, you're going to be seeing some of the site of those projects that they're trying to do in Awka. Just immediately after the first flyover, you see resurfacing happening, you see expansion trying to happen within that axis. So that will also be showing to you guys. So I believe that almost all of the potholes you see in the Awka axis of this journey, all is going to be eliminated pretty soon. So I'm pretty excited about that. So we can't wait for all of that to be completed. So continue our journey now to Awka. So by people of Anambra, are you guys happy with the work? What is your take about the work? Let me know in the comment section. The work currently happening around the Awka axis, I don't know if it's the state government or the federal government that is also doing that, but I don't really know who is handling that. But that is at the heart of Awka now. Just before you get to Niger Junction, massive work is going on all around those areas. So that will be spotlighting very, very soon by the time we get into Awka. So now Awka is very, very fast. I believe this is going to also aid movement of goods and services from Onitsha down towards what's it called, Enugu, going towards Benue, Makurdi and the like. So that is going to be, you're going to make transportation a bit pretty fast towards those axes. So movement of goods and services is going to increase on this route, because at least the road is way better, and the timing wasted by transporters is also going to reduce because of this new development on the road. So personally, I'm excited, and kudos to the government for fixing all of these roads. So currently we are in Awka, and you can see what I'm talking about. Work is going on. So they've sectioned the road such that we ride here while the resurfacing is going on, while we go up ahead even after the Niger Junction, closer to the government house. You're going to see another massive work going on around there, even in Awka. So the same work that is going on this lane is also happening on the other lane. So they are putting a new asphalt on this. So this section we're riding on now has not been done. They are working on the other side. I believe maybe in a couple of days people will be using the other side, while this other lane will be free. So you can see that we're already approaching the flyover. This is the second flyover when you're coming into Awka from Onitsha, just by where you have the Solution Fund City. Yes, for as many who have not visited there, kindly do well to visit, and we also have a video of that on our catalog. So you can just visit our Anambra catalog for some of the awesome videos we have uploaded within the state. So you can see that asphalting is going on. So while we go down a little bit, like I said, after Unizik and all, you see some other work going on within that area. So if you follow through till now, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Thank you. Do not hesitate to click the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber, and turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So let us have your thoughts in the comment section, your opinion about this project. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye.